This week's video has been brought to you by Redbubble, and today we're going to learn how to do the jerk step. So let's get into it. Now before we do this one, if you haven't already learned how to do the running man, it might be easy if you go back to that video and learn how to do that before you do this one. Because I feel like this move is the running man, but in reverse. So if you're finding it a bit difficult, make sure you go check out that video. Now, we're gonna start with a foot in front. I've got the right foot in front here. In its basic form, you just wanna lift up that right foot and then put it down, okay? Now the left leg is in front, the left foot's in front. On the other side, you just pick up that leg and then you put it down. Okay, let me do that again, I'll move forward. Foot's in front, you lift it up, down. Left leg's in front. Up, down, okay? Now it doesn't look like much at this stage, but there's a little hop that we have to add into it. So when you lift up that front foot, you have to jump with the supporting leg into it, like this. Hop, and then put it down. The other side, front leg's in front, that comes back, the supporting leg goes forward, and then put it down. Okay, I'll show you a little bit faster. One, and one, and one, and. Let me show you from the side. Front leg's out, you lift it up, and you put it down. But when we jump into it, one, and one, and one, and. And once you've got that, start to speed it up. Let me show you to the front. Pa, 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 pa. You don't really need arms. You can do it without arms. You can add like a little roll into it if you want. It's totally up to you. If you need to break that down a little bit more, take it back to the beginning and bring it back here. And when you look like this, you've nailed it. How did you go, guys? Ironically, you learnt this on the internet and my shirt says, no internet, go outside. And you should go outside and learn how to do this step. And if you want to know where I got this shirt from, well, I went online and got it from Redbubble. And if you want to get 15% off your next order, the links are below in the description or it's popping up on your screen right now. So thank you so much for Redbubble. And guys, I will catch you next week for another Moves in Minutes. See ya.